Hello friend, I am James. Today I will teach you English lesson 4 and the topic name is Bhim and the Buffalo. Okay dear students, there are mainly 6 story characters in this story. First one is Bhim's family. In Bhim's family there are 4 members, Bhim, his wife and his 2 children. Okay, and next one horseman, third one cowman, fourth one goatman, fifth one handman, and last one is an old beggar. So dear children, let me ask you one question. What is the meaning of kindness? Do you know meaning of kindness? Kindness means the quality of being kind. Okay, and now what is the meaning of generosity? Generosity means the quality of being generous. So now what is the moral of the story, or what is the value of this story? Do you know children? So now let us see, I have already written on the blackboard. The moral of the story is that we should be kind and generous to the poor and the beggar. Okay? Or we should help the poor and we should not become greedy. Okay dear students? So now I am going to tell a story. Please listen to me very carefully. Okay? So Bhim was a poor farmer. Bhim lived with his 2 children and 1 wife. Bhim had a small piece of ground where he grew vegetables. His 2 buffaloes gave milk to the family. Because of that, Bhim and Bhim's family were happy and they thanked God for what they had. Okay, they always thank God for what they had. Bhim's children grew older. Therefore, Bhim needed more money to send his children to school. Therefore, Bhim and Bhim's wife decided to sell one of their buffaloes. They were very sad to give away their loyal animals, because that loyal animal served for 20 years or for many years served them. But they had no other option. What to do? They were very upset, they were very sad. The next morning, Bhim began a journey for the cattle market in the town. On the way, he met a man with a horse. Then horseman said to him, "Friend, I want to sell my horse. Would you like to exchange it with your buffalo?" Then Bhim thought and said, "Yes, that was a good idea." Therefore, he agreed happily to give him. But soon he understood, soon he recognized that horse was lame. He felt very bad, he felt very upset. Soon a man came with a cow. Bhim told him what had happened on the way. Then cowman said to him, "Friend, don't worry. Take my cow and give your lame horse to me." Bhim was very happy by seeing his kindness. Okay? So soon he understood that the cow was blind in one eye. He was very upset. He felt disheartened, and because of this disheartened, he sat under the tree and could not decide what to do. Then again a man came with a goat. Then goatman said, "Friend, would you like to exchange your horse with a goat?" Then Bhim agreed happily and gave him. Soon he found out that goat was sick. The goat was sick. Later on, he was sad and confused. Okay, the next Bhim exchanged his goat for a hen. Now it was evening. Bhim was tired and hungry. He sold the hen for a few rupees and bought some food to eat. As soon as he was eating, he saw a man coming towards him. He was a beggar, or he was a beggar. Then beggar said to Bhim, "I have not eaten for many days. Please give me something to eat." Then Bhim felt very sorry for the beggar and gave him all the food to eat. Bhim returned home hungry, tired, and without making a paisa or without bringing a paisa in his pocket. He came back home. Bhim's wife and his 2 children were not unhappy for losing the buffalo and without making money or making no money. Bhim's wife said to him, "You have done the right thing. You must never turn away a hungry man away." Then Bhim's family took dinner and went to bed. When they woke up the next morning, they were amazed at what they saw. There stood in front of Bhim's house a line of animals, such as a young buffalo, a healthy horse, a cow, a goat, and a hen. Not only that much, but there were also a bag of gold coins. It was very amazing. After a few moments of surprise, they understood what had happened. They realized what had happened. Bhim's wife said to Bhim, "I'm sure the beggar you met was God in disguise. All this is his reward. It is because of kindness." So that day onwards, Bhim's family had no more worries. They lived happily. So, dear children, it was the story of Bhim and the buffalo. So, I hope you have understood this story very well. Understand? So now, what is the moral of the story, or what you learn from this story? The moral of the story is that we should be kind and generous with the poor people and the beggar. We should help the poor and the beggar, and we should not become greedy. Okay, dear students? Here I have written some complicated words, some difficult words. You can look at the blackboard. Please have a one glance. So first one, part with. What is the meaning of part with? Give away. Loyal means always supporting. Set out means begin a journey. Exchange means give and take. Okay? Discover means found out. Lame means not able to walk or unable to walk, or limping, you can say. Disappointed means sad, upset. Okay? Realized means understood. Disgust means change appearance or change face. Again, this side there are 2 words meaning. A patch of land, it means a small piece of ground. Disheartened means lose hope. So, dear children, you might have understood this story very well. If you have not understood, please go through this chapter 2 or 3 times, and then you will understand well. Okay? So now, I request you, if you have understood, please subscribe my video channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye.